Hello everyone. Find this second and last session on endometrial carcinoma. In this we'll talk about the management of CA endometrium. Management can be done by two ways. It can be preventive or it can be curative. Preventive management is possible when the disease has not yet occurred. So by taking certain measures we can prevent the CA endometrium. But if it has already occurred, then we can go for the curative method of the treatment. So first we start with the preventive measures. How can we prevent, how can we avoid CA endometrium? By weight reduction. We have seen that obesity favors the CA endometrium. So the patients before developing CA endometrium are advised to reduce the weight because obesity is one of the probable factors for getting CA endometrium. So weight reduction either by diet restriction or by exercise should be advisable. Second preventive measure is exercise, that is to reduce the obesity or to reduce the weight. Then long-term use of COCs. COC is combined oral contraceptive pills, right? They should be used. They will also control the hemorrhage, so hemorrhage will not occur. Use of progestins and LNG-IUS. LNG-IUS is levonorgestrel intrauterine system. That is a very good form of the contraception. It is used worldwide, but besides as a contraception, it has also got the contraceptive benefits, that is in the treatment of the metrorrhagia. It is used in the treatment of the metrorrhagia also. So it also controls or prevents the hemorrhage, right? So these are certain preventive measures for CA endometrium. Besides these methods, you may also go for screening of the high risk women. The women who are more likely to get CA endometrium. They have not yet developed carcinoma, but they are more likely to get it. So they are at risk. So they should be screened out, right? That is in the postmenopausal age. So during this age group, their screening should be done. Now if they cannot be detected before development of the carcinoma, but if they can be detected in the early stage, or you can say in the pre-malignant stage of the carcinoma of the endometrium, then we can prevent the spread of the carcinoma, right? So when the disease is detected in the pre-malignant form or in the early stage, then we can prevent the spread of the disease, spread of the carcinoma by starting the treatment in time without making much delay, right? And by doing so, we can minimize the more adverse effect of the carcinoma. So the adverse effect, dangerous effects can be minimized. That is also one type of prevention. Now if carcinoma occurs, then how can we treat it? What is the curative method of the treatment? As most of the patients are aged, they are obese and already having one or other medical disorder, their careful systemic examination and required investigations must be done. It is must that you have to do because they are aged, they are already obese and they are already having some or the other medical disorder. Their examination and their investigation, it is must, they have to be done. Now they are required before deciding the line of treatment. What further treatment should be given to the patient, that you can finalize only after having the examination and required investigations of the patient. First treatment of choice is the surgery. In surgery, you may go for hysterectomy. It is more advisable when CA endometrium is restricted to the body of uterus, right? You may go for the radiotherapy. You may go for chemotherapy, or sometimes combination of any of these three methods can be also done. Now we are not going into detail of the surgery because you are not supposed to write the description of the surgery in the exam. So up to the previous slide it was okay. Just for your knowledge I am putting this slide, or I have put this slide, indications of the radiotherapy. When radiotherapy should be done? When patient is unfit for surgery. When hysterectomy is not possible. Patient with severe medical disorder, having some medical disease where radiotherapy should be advised. Patients with high risk of recurrence, where patient has chances of getting the disease back. Recurrence is likely to occur. So at that time also you may go for radiotherapy. And patients with advanced disease for palliation therapy. So these are various indications for radiotherapy. In some conditions, radiotherapy is contraindicated. These conditions are presence of pelvic mass, presence of pelvic kidney, pyometra, pelvic abscess, previous laparotomies, adhesion with the bowel. In these conditions, radiotherapy should not be done. It is contraindicated. Sometimes, as we have discussed earlier, the combined therapy, combination of surgery, radiotherapy and chemotherapy, or any two of them, is quite effective nowadays in the treatment of CA endometrium. Chemotherapy is used in the advanced cases and also in the recurrent cases or in metastatic lesion. So when you find such condition, you may go for chemotherapy. Hormonal therapy has also been effective. So it is also used with very good result. So that was all about CA endometrium. I hope you have understood the topic. I have tried to include only those heads in the CA endometrium which are important your exam point of view. So I have avoided the unnecessary description because you are running very short in the time. Thank you.